Hi everyone! Today I'm making a polvoron. It's a Filipino snack. You can make it very easy and quickly at home. Here's the ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup powdered milk, 1/2 cup melted butter, and a teaspoon of salt. And this is the molder to shape the polvoron and a colored cellophane to wrap the polvoron. Now we start cooking the polvoron. Once the pan is heated, put the flour and toast it. Make it light brown. When the flour is getting brown, add the powdered milk, salt, and melted butter. And mix it well, and then add the sugar into flour mixture. Mix and then turn the heat down, and then turn off the heat, and then it's done. Transfer this in the flat plate to let it cool for a few minutes. And then start molding and wrap it in the cellophane. Now we're ready to mold the polvoron, then wrap it like this. This is our finished product. For one recipe, you can make 40 pieces. If you want to mix with pinipig, Oreo, and chocolates, it's all up to you what you want to mix with the polvoron. Thank you very much for watching. Salamat kaayo. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe because there will be many more to come. Thank you. Bye.